The perpendicular P is on the base QR. Okay, this is a diagram. QR is a base, so perpendicular from P is S. Okay, in this intersect QR is that's S. So what they given, Q is equal to 3 times of the SR. So what we are going to prove is 2 times of the PQ square equal to 2 times of the PR square plus QR square. Okay, that's what we are going to prove. So I am taking this is only my given. So I am taking QR equal to 4. So Q is equal to 3 times of the SR. So in this place I can write QR equal to I can write, okay, from the given QR equal to I can write QS plus SR. So I know QS is nothing but 3 times of the SR. So QR equal to 4 times of the SR. So now I can write SR equal to 1 by 4 times of the QR. Okay, this is one of the part QR. So sorry, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Then what can I do in this place is, so SR, right? So first equation, this is you take this is a first equation, second and third So in 2 substitute 1. Okay, so 2 substitute 1. So what I am going to do, SR I can write QR equal to, so SR equal to from 1 I am writing SR is equal to 1 by 3 QS, right? So I can substitute, right? So substitute above in 2. So I can substitute this. So 4 by 3 QS. This is my fourth equation. Are you clear? This is my fourth equation. So third and fourth we are going to use in the sums. Okay. Now I am taking these two triangles. In triangle PQS, I can use a Pythagoras, right? By using Pythagoras theorem, what you are getting? What is adjacent? This hypotenuse PQ. So PQ square equal to what? QA square plus PA square. Fifth equation in triangle PSR, again by using a Pythagoras, because it's having a 90 degree, that's why hypotenuse in this place PR. So PR square equal to what? SR square plus PA square. This is the sixth equation. Now what I am doing, 5 minus 6 for my convenience. Okay, for my convenience what I am doing, 5 minus 6. So 5 minus 6. So left hand side is subtracting left hand side, right hand side subtracting. So PQ minus PQ square minus PR square equal to QS square plus PS. QS square plus PS square minus of what? SR square plus PS. SR square plus PS square. Okay. So PQ square minus PS square. So QS square plus PS square minus SR square plus S square. So this term cancel. So PQ square minus PS square to QA square minus SR square. But we know QS value and SR value, right? So SR value is 1 by 4 QR. Right. Then QS I need. So QS I can write. It's okay. I will write. So third equation, substitute third equation is what? SR is equal to 1 by 4 QS. Then QR. Fourth equation, QR equal to 4 by 3 QS. But I need a QS, so I can interchange. So 3 by 4 QR. I can write now like this. So substitute above. So substitute SR and QS. Okay, so PQ square minus PR square equal to, what is this? So 3 by 4 QR the whole square minus SR is a 1 by 4 QR the whole square. Okay, so P square minus PR square is equal to what? 9QR square by 16 minus all the term is squaring QR by 16. Are you clear? So PQ square minus PR square. So the same term. So I can subtract, right? So how much I am getting? 8 by 16 QR square. 9 minus in this place 1. Okay. So I can divide in this place how many times? This is in 4 table. So this is 2 times. This is 4 times. Again cancel. This is 2 times. Right? So PQ square minus PR square is equal to 1 by 2 times of QR square. So cross multiply. So 2 times of PQ square minus PR square equal to QR square. So multiply inside. 2 times of the PQ square minus 2 times of the PR square equal to QR square. So 2 times of the PQ square equal to, this is moving, so 2 PR square plus QR square. This is moving in this place, so positive. So what they asking? So this one they asking, right? 2 times of P square equal to 2 times of the PR square plus QR square. So that's one I am having. So hence proved. So one more I am repeating. This only the given value, the diagram as it is, the diagram. So QR, so I am taking my base QR, so QS plus SR. So I written. So in this place I am substituting. QS is nothing but 3 times of the SR. Okay. So what can I do? In this place I am having 4 times of the SR. So 4 times of the SR. This 4 is moving this place. So SR is equal to 1 by 4 times of the RS. That's it. Then what they given? SR is equal to in the then what can I having? This is my value. Okay. So I am taking this is first equation, second equation, third equation. So as it is, I am having. So above equation, so SR is equal to 1 by 3 QS. So this equation, first equation, from first equation, SR equal to 1 by 3 QS. So substituting that value in the second equation, so what we are getting? 4 into SR. SR is a 1 by 3 QS. Okay, substituting this. So that's my fourth equation. So I am having it this triangle, this triangle. So Pythagoras taking. So we are having a 2 equation. So I am subtracting these 2 equation. I am getting this. So finally subtracting this and this is cancelling. So finally I am getting. So we already know Q square is 3 by 4 QR and SR is a 1 by 4 QR. So substituting in this place and calculating, get this final answer is this. Hence proved.